Okay, so best MIDI keyboards under $100. Before we get started and before I talk about these two options that I'm going to give you, I've just a quick background. I've been in music production using mostly FL Studio for over 10 years, and I've been in music doing playing piano for over 20 years and other instruments. So this is my take on MIDIs. I've had several different MIDIs. I've tried all types of MIDIs. So this is my take on the best ones under $100. Now I know if you're especially if you're starting off, you're definitely on a budget. I eventually was able to work my way up to a more expensive one, but if you're starting off, the best ones available are the Akai Mini MK3 25 key USB MIDI, and I say this because it gives you exactly what you need. It's a very popular product, so it is very supported. That's always a big thing when it comes to this type of music production software, because a lot of music production is literally dealing with the hardware and dealing with the issues related to the hardware. This this is kind of like a tried, tested, and proven MIDI, and it has the two things that you really want to look for, which is a drum pad here, and then a set of keys. And it also comes with good software, native instrument sound package. So basically, like the sounds and instruments you get, they're very solid. And then the other one that I want to recommend is the 49 key Nectar 49 key MIDI controller. I say this one if you want a little bit more playing room, if you're more of a pianist, this will better suit you. Although this one does not have a drum pad, but I had the Nectar. Uh, if you watch my other video, you may have seen, but I've had that MIDI and I use that MIDI. I've had this MIDI for almost like 10 years. So they're both extremely durable. The Nectar for sure is extremely durable. They're both extremely durable. Most MIDIs are extremely durable. So those are my two options. Make sure you click the links in the description. And thanks for watching.